Hey everybody, it's Greg. I'm in downtown Laguna Beach outside of my dog boutique and got a really cool surprise for you here. Stay tuned.
Profile, Spank. Profile.
Downtown Laguna Beach with the Gerbers from New Jersey and what's the name of the bird?
Spanky.
Spanky.
Spanky! We had a dog named Spanky. Look at that.
Does Spanky talk?
She does.
Yeah? Nice. That's awesome. Look at the camera. Hello, baby. Look over
You see just a little bit of everything in downtown Laguna Beach.
Alright.
Who thought you could come here from New Jersey and have a giant parrot on your arm?
Right.
Oh my gosh. Have you had her since she was
No, she's a rescue.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
How do you find a bird to rescue?
Petfinder.com.
Oh yeah. Have you had a bird before? Or is this
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I had one stolen. I had one for 16 years, and I was looking for her and saw these rescue places, through these rescue places. And I was just, it was astounding how many birds need rescuing.
Oh wow.
So I said, if I ever got another bird, I'd
Rescue
rescue one.
And she never takes off, she just stays with you the whole
Are
time?
her wings clipped?
No,
No?
love you. Love you. Love you.
Oh my god, that is so